Hey everyone, this is Shyam Moses, and today I'm showcasing Newsgram.ai, an app that inspires innovation, solves real-time problems, and ultimately brings joy by making sure people have easy to access vital information in time. Note, this video script was created with the help of Google Gemini's AI web interface. News travels fast, but reliable information can be hard to find during emergencies like floods, landslides, and other natural disasters, which often have time-sensitive warnings. Newsgram.ai solves this by leveraging Google News to gather the latest updates in real time. Here's the magic part. A powerful Gemini AI analyzes these news articles, extracting key points and summarizing them into clear and concise sentences. This ensures you get crucial information which you need quickly, potentially saving precious lives during emergencies. But Newsgram goes beyond just delivering the news. We understand that information can be overwhelming. That's why we present the news in a user-friendly way with the help of eye-catching visuals that are paired with clear voiceovers generated with the help of text-to-speech technology. This creates an engaging experience with the user, and it makes the news easy to consume in the form of short-form videos with realistic voiceover and meaningful visuals. What is the best part of Newsgram.ai is it is fully automated. It is a combination of two containerized Python applications using Docker, which can be even run on a low-power Raspberry Pi. The first app is powered by Gemini AI, which automatically checks Google News for recent live news updates and converts them into short-form videos. And the second app uploads a completed video to our Instagram page. And the most unique thing about this app that is presented in this competition is the end user does not have to download any app, nor there are any system requirements. They will simply have to head over to Instagram and follow our newsgram.ai page. And rest assured, you'll get live news updates right from Google's trusted sources, powered by Google's cutting-edge Gemini AI. Is a Python script which is Dockerized. So here's the Docker file which has all the requirements and all the dependencies properly installed. And we have a build.sh file which has the API keys and the required configurations to start it as a Docker container. So let's start by running the build.sh file. And as you can see, the news articles are being fetched from the Google News. So this is the request that is sent to the Gemini API, and Google Gemini API also summarizes and gives us the keywords using which we can fetch the relevant images. And as you can see, in the processing folder, corresponding image is downloaded and the news title and the news summary is added. And here we have the final video, which has an appropriate background image along with the title and the summary. And also, if you play the video, you should have a voiceover using text-to-speech. And the second application, which is also Dockerized, once it detects a new file that is being added or generated, will automatically upload to our configured Instagram account, which is newsgram.ai. So let's start the second application. This is our second application, which picks up newly added or newly generated video from this folder and uploads it to Instagram after adding some useful tags like build with Gemini, Google News, trending news, and so on. Let's start by building the application, and the Docker container is up and running. As you can see, we are successfully logged in to the Instagram account. To avoid multiple login each time the Docker container is created, we are also using cookies to save the login information safely. And also we have a limiter so that we don't send too many uploads to Instagram. So every video is uploaded with a gap of 7 minutes in between. And after 7 minutes, we should be able to see a new video uploaded to our Instagram account. And once a video is successfully uploaded, the same video is deleted from the folder. As you can see, currently there are 243 posts. So once our video is uploaded after the 7th minute, we should see 250th post. So let's confirm that. Now our 7 minutes is completed, and you can uploading a set of information to Instagram. Now the file has been successfully uploaded. Let's refresh the browser and see. As you can see, now we have 250th post, which is published. Let's give a listen to it.
Hasina's future plans uncertain. Bangladesh's former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is in India. She left Dhaka amid violence. Her future plans are unclear, with reports suggesting she may stay in India long.
As you can see, we have an appropriate image and a meaningful title and a news summary, as well as an understandable, realistic voiceover.